there's a tornado watch. And it's for Gadsden County.
The conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
This is not a
While
tropical
severe weather
warning.
may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets.
Why'd you fail?
Sources for the latest severe weather information. A tropical storm moving northward toward the Florida Panhandle. New information changes to watches and warnings. Watches and warnings. A storm surge warning and tropical storm warning are in effect for coastal Franklin and coastal Wakulla. A storm surge warning is in effect for coastal Dixie, coastal Jefferson, and coastal Taylor. A tropical storm warning is in effect for Calhoun, central Walton, Clay, coastal Bay, coastal Gulf, Coffee, Dale, Decatur, Irving, Gadsden.
Ha 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 ha.